I will now explain how to replace the battery in the sequencer SX type. The battery life of the sequencer is approximately 3 years. If the battery runs out, the printing machine will stop. Please note that if the battery is not replaced every 3 years, this may lead to malfunction of the printing press, data loss. I will explain about the tools. First is the key for electrical cabinet. Second is the Phillips screwdriver. You will need a light if it is dark. Now let me explain how to replace it. First, unlock the electrical cabinet. This is the sequencer battery. Be sure to replace the battery with the power on. Now let's replace it. When you remove the cover of the sequencer battery, you can see the connectors are connected. There are red and black wiring. Please make sure to replace it correctly. Unplug the wiring. Install a new sequencer battery. Completed. Close the electrical cabinet after replacement is done. The type of sequencer replaced this time is SX type. For NJ type sequencers, renewal is required. Please contact our subsidiaries and distributors.